I've got this old walnut tree that has got branches hanging on the roof. Thought about just cutting those back, but as I looked at the tree, it's got those vines growing up it, choking it out, and it appears the tree's mostly dead. And as much as I hate taking out a nice yard tree, I think this one's gonna have to go. Okay, a little update on the first week of progress. Standing in the living room, you can see it's been cleaned out. All the things that were stored in here out or thrown away. The kitchen here, we have torn the floor up, dug some of the dirt out to expose the joists so we can see what's going on with the foundation. The wall on that other side has kicked out a little bit, so we'll have to address that. But made pretty good progress for the week. I will walk around a little bit and go outside. It'll be a little windy, but I think we'll be okay. Have materials for the roof, so we can start on that after we get that wall fixed. Okay, here you can see another angle of the dirt that came out of that kitchen floor. I think a lot of that has washed in down this hill over 100 years. Maybe some of it was 100 years worth of dirt falling through the cracks in the floor, being swept and various things. So who knows? It's good dirt. Make a good garden. Over here, had to take out this walnut tree that had some limbs on the roof, and it was mostly dead. So took it out. Roots are growing under the house, so now they'll all die. We can dig some of those out. Won't be a problem anymore. And yeah, I think good start for the first week.